few words in these global sector problems. Another one criminal called as Manikandan from Indian Tech of Chennai, Nandambakam, who is now added some private sector also in their career. Actually, that fellow is saying themselves as a Manikandan. Lord Manikandan is having some type of private concern. That concern is doing some prostitution against the God powers, and they are disturbing the God power as per the word of the global president, what I explained in my pages. They are asking the global ruling in their control, and they are trying to cheat the global sector presidency by sending some actors inside the house of the presidency's houses, and they are taking the original powers in their controls. If you want that word in Tamil in green language, they are sending the actress to the house of all the global presidents, and they are taking the original princess in their control, and they are doing raping and sex with that princess, and they are asking the global president powers and global powers from global sector. They are from Liberation Tiger and Liberation Cheetah groups. These type of liberation is started inside the Indian country by spreading from Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka President Mahendra stopped that liberation fight in Sri Lanka. So by our political leader Seeman started that liberation fight inside the peaceful country Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu is under liberation attack by our Seeman of Tamil Nadu. Total Tamil Nadu is under liberation attack because of that bad Seeman who disturbed the Indian country by liberation from Sri Lanka by saying we are all Eela Tamilargal. And they started the name Nam Tamilar, but they don't know what is called Tamilar. If we ask that question to that person, why you named that as Tamilar, what is the meaning of that Tamilar, they will not know about that. If they know, they can explain that to others what is called Tamilar, and then they can write that name in their party like Nam Tamilar Yakam or Nam Tamilar Kachi. Because that word set one, what that word said means, you got to listen that logo and slogans. That slogan said the word Helior Damai Valior Takudal Murayo is one song is there inside that party or inside that group. That group is explaining what to all that is saying about don't facilitate the properties of others by saying we are having this much powers, we are having this much properties, we are having this much knowledge. This is the word of that song. Eliyor Tamai, Valiyor Sail. You can listen that words. Because of that person Simon, who is the director of Cinefield, this attack is happening inside the Tamil Nadu by Liberation Tiger and Liberation Cheetah. These liberation groups are attacking the Rajya Sabha and other lion forces of the earth, and they are trying to capture the ruling by saying we want ruling of the lion. From the starting itself they will do like this only. They are disturbing the Iran of the Indian country, and they are in the court against that case, but still they are running their life by attacking the total earth. They are sanctioned by Jivanamsam of the god, and they are doing sex with all the Begums and Devis of the global sector by getting that Jivanamsa power. From court only they sanctioned by saying global sector none people are doing the good activities than the liberation people. So we sanctioned the our Jivanamsam of global sector president towards the liberation peoples. By saying this type of orders from court, they are doing sex with Devis and Begums by that order of Jivanamsam given to the liberation people from the global sector. Global sector president's Jivan Amsam was given to the Liberation Party like Cheetah and Tigers by the help of some court by saying non-global sector president is doing good activities than the liberation peoples. So nearby 26 lakhs Begum and Devis are under sex disturbance by these liberation groups with the help of that court decision. Because of that, nearly 40 lakhs Begans and Devans are in slaveness. They are asking the properties of that Began and Devan. This was supported by Rajya Sabha of Indian country also, by asking we want some percentage in that properties along with Paldenagar. This is happening inside the Indian country with the help of some court. They gave Jivanamsam to the liberation groups from global president by stealing the power from ashrama of global sector by saying rumors to others. One among that Nakiran who asked question against Lord Shiva during the birth of Lord Shiva in one film called as Thiruvilayadal. You can see that fight against Shiva and Nakiran. And that time Nakiran was fired by the Lord Shiva by placing kerosene. That will happen again if anything happened wrongly to Lord Shiva and powers of the devotional side. I am already explaining the situation to the Nakiran journalist to other journalists to advise that Nakiran journalists to shut their mouth and do their work, because they were on those days itself they did the same to the Lord Shiva and stolen the power by joined with the liberation peoples. They started again the same towards the global sector to stole the powers. Once they stolen the power, we can't get it again. They will run out with that power. So be careful about your activities. From the justice Asoka Perarasan is saying the word towards all the criminals. None criminals are accused can escape from law. It's a word of justice Asoka Perarasan, the Lord God. Don't try to cheat others. It's a word to all the accused of the earth. It's a word from Lord Government and Lord God Asoka Perarsu. So be care about your activities. Not a single moment should not be a law against activities. There should be a law in single inch by inch. There should not be any lawless activities. It's a word from Justice Asoka Perarasan. So be care about your activities towards the word what I am saying. What I am saying is whether Nakiran find any wrong in the teen policy of the Nityananda Asrama or my Asrama, why they are asking this type of question against that Asrama, what power Nakiran want? I said about ethical policy, vision policy and orientation policy. On those days, you the Nakiran find some wrong or some error in that policy. This time what error you find and what question you want to ask against the Lord Shiva is the question from that asrama, why you are doing this type of forgery towards that asrama is a question to that Nakiran. Can you ask question against that Intentak Manigandan who dissolved the power of my Ranjida ma'am or my Ranjida goddess, who attacked the failed Varadarajan, who killed Maradhipati of Kanjipuram? Can you explain that to the people who killed Maradhipati of Kanjipuram and who slaved or who did sex with Madakayamman, the goddess of the earth? Can Nakiran can explain anything what I am asking to that Nakiran journalist? Madhadipati of Kanchipuram was killed by Varadarajan, who is in Asagavanam. Along with that Asagavana Ravanan Varadarajan, Manigandan did sex with my Ranjida, who is the Anna of Anna Dravida Muneta Kalagam, and he disturbed the Anna power and he tried to save the universal terror Varadarajan. My Anna the Ranjida Begum killed Varadaraja power in a moment, and they threatened by my Ranjida Begum, who was disturbed, whose power was collapsed by the Manigandan, the interattack of your Tamil Nadu Nandabakam, who was in sacrifice Dandana by Madakayamman temple of Karnataka. It's a message to your Tamil Nadu why I wrote that word in my page. Whether anybody want any explanation towards this? Because anybody want to dissolve can dissolve that Varadaraja power which is in the sky. My Ranjida Begum dissolved that power in a moment by saying I am Anna Dravida Mulakam, the Anna of the earth. What you did at that time? You try to collapse that Anna power of that Ranjida Begum and you disturbed the earth again by your Kalla Irai called as Varadarajan. You, the Nakiran, did that towards the Lord Shiva, and what question you are asking towards the Kailasam? Can you say that what question you are asking towards the global sector against that Ranjida Begum? What you want from that Ranjida Begum? Is the question towards that Nakiran who supported the Sandalwood hijack along with Stalin, that type of politicians. Can you Nakiran can say where that Sandalwood money went, whether you distribute that currency or money to all the liberation parties or other hijacking arrangements or activities? Can you explain that in your journalist papers and books? What question you are asking against that Kailas Asrama? Can you explain why that Manigandan disturbed that Anna power using his sexual disturbance? This is a question to Nakiran, the journalist from Lord Shiva dynasty or Lord Shiva Asrama. Can you explain that Nakiran journalist? Another one journalist is there. They said some word towards that Asramam how the world will be, and they gave the Jivanamsam to that type of liberation people. Liberation people was given by the Jivanamsam of Lord Shiva by asking the question how the world will be. Can you show that world to me? This is a question of the journalist Joe from Atimuka party. Even the America who created NASA can't go beyond the Pluto. They are now only researching about the Pluto or Venus by spending crore monies. You are asking the photo of the total earth, total world sector without giving any effect in that. How I can show all the things to you? Who are you to ask that question to me? Why you are asking the global sector secret to you? What power you are? Can you say what power you are? Can I dissolve your power? Can I give your power to our sector? If you have talent, can you give that type of power to others? Then why were you asking question like that? Huh? The Vardarajan, who is the Kallairai, did sex by sending gene technology. By gene technology, they are creating some life, and that life is doing sex with a lot of Began and Davis by coming inside the house with the help of Rajya Sabha to say we want to slave your Inam. Whether you want any word like this towards your journalist. Huh? I am a global sector president. Why I am asking this type of questions? Nah? You are asking question towards the asrama by saying we are only the very great gentleman of the earth. I am asking you type of gentleman why that Ranjita Begum power was disturbed by your liberation people called as Manikandan of Indian Tech. Can you explain that in your journalist papers and journalist books? Whether can you dissolve that type of Varadaraja era by in 1 second? If you can, please do that work for the earth people, because earth peoples are disturbed by sexual disturbance by that Kalla Irai, and they are trying to dissolve the Mangala Mangalyam of the males and females. I understand. They don't know what is called Mangalam, I think so. So they are doing like this, I think so. Is there anything like that from that journalist, Nakiran? If I ask anything to that Manigan, they are asking, be careful. Huh? What careful I have to do? He is doing some prostitution by saying some private institute, and he attacked the commissioner of Tamil Nadu by saying I am a terror group. What carefulness I have to carry on myself? I know how to carry on myself. I am the Lord Shiva who is called as Hariharan than you. Who are you to say you as a Manikandan? I am that Manikandan than you. Who are you by saying you as a Manikandan and you are doing something inside Tamil Nadu? Lord Shiva and Lord Hari is the same personality. Then who are you to say you as a Manikandan? Can you say that word to Lord Shiva? I know to care about myself. So be care about your life. Don't try to disturb my family by saying you as a some devotional power. You may be any power, you may be any life of the earth, but don't come inside to my house and don't disturb my families like this, and don't try to facilitate my family properties and chattels. Is a word to your liberation peoples and powers. So thank you for this media support to say few words about what is happening inside the earth between liberation and the global sector peoples. Thank you.